So we're going to jack the Ford Fiesta here. So first thing I'm going to do is I've got these little chucks from Halfords. I have used wood alternatively, but I think these are probably the best. So handbrake on the back and then chucks as well. We're going to be doing wheel change on the front first, but this is just a quick one on how to lift it. So this is the main kit I'm using. I've got two 1.5 jack stands, which are old ones from my granddad, and then I've also got a 2-ton hydraulic jack from Halfords, which you can see it's the low profile one, so I'll be able to get in, get a good angle to be able to lift it up. One thing to also mention is gravel is quite a poor surface to lift on, so either you want to dig down to solid, or you want to do it on something harder like concrete or tarmac. I don't have any alternate apart from doing it on the road, which I think at night would be even worse. So I'm doing it on this, but I'm just digging down till I get to solid hard floor. And also underneath the jack, the stands, and where I'll be working, I've got hard boards, so it's nice and solid. So I've got my inspection light. I'm now going to go underneath. I've got all the level points that I'm going to lift it on. So we've got stands on the side to go here. Underneath the emergency lifting point, I'm going for more of a maintenance one on the actual subframe bar, which is quite a solid one, which is where the jack's going to be going.
So now I'm just having a look under, making sure that it's all correct and all fine, and aiming for the middle of that main strut.
See, there's a wheel clearance, it's on the bolt there, and I've also got a stand behind. So now it's just giving me enough room. I can now work with the wheel and take it off. So now it's on loaded up, I'm going to do to lower the car. So I've just removed everything, and then literally as gently as slow as you can, just release the valve. The car will come down quite quickly, but you've just got to try and control it. Saying that probably the last few times I dropped it, or did drop it, it went very quickly. That's because it's quite a new jack. Now, as you can see, it's set. So at this point here, this is about the height we can get to. The new coilovers, I think, good hands with clearance.
So here I'm just giving it one final check over, making sure that the jack has come away from the lifting point and that it's fully down on its own suspension. There'll be many more how-to videos to come, and also some more updates on the Fiesta build and on the Land Rover. So head over to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video.